Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in the phone app, open the three-dot More menu, and go straight to Settings so you can change routing now. Once in Settings, locate Voicemail or Call settings and confirm whether Visual Voicemail is active versus the carrier's voicemail service. This matters because you will either toggle Visual Voicemail off or stop call forwarding to voicemail. Make sure Wi-Fi and mobile network are on. Some options appear only when the SIM is active and you're online. Once done finding call forwarding, inspect each rule. Always when busy, no answer, and unreachable. Disable forwarding for each condition or edit, and remove the voicemail number so calls no longer route to voicemail. If your phone uses visual voicemail, make sure to toggle visual voicemail off in voicemail settings. This stops the app from fetching messages. You may need to wait a minute for carrier changes to propagate. Make sure airplane mode is off so the network. To finish, test by calling your number from a different phone and confirm calls no longer go to voicemail and no greeting plays. If forwarding still occurs, restart the phone, then clear the voicemail app cache and data in app's right arrow voicemail. If the problem persists, contact your carrier and ask them to disable voicemail or remove forwarding on their end. Carriers can override device settings. One troubleshooting tip: if changes don't stick, have your carrier reset your voicemail routing while you're present to confirm immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.